Impz says, say what's up, konnichiwa. So in this video, more cool stuff from One Hobby Gallery 2022 Autumn. And in this video, we take a look at the GSC, Good Smile Company, Asuka Langley figure from Evangelion. And this is a 1/7 scale figure that's set to come out in January of 2024 at a price of 26,800 yen, which is 26,800 yen. But yeah, I really like this Asuka, this version of Asuka. Very, looks more like a mature version of Asuka, like more like adult. But yeah, very cool stuff. I like it. Very kawaii, very cute, very beautiful. Let me know what you guys think. Feel free to rate, comment, and subscribe. And see you again soon. どうもありがとうございます。また会いましょう。じゃあね。Thanks for watching.